This is the video that led the Harbor Freight store clerks who were sitting out. I believe you can see them while they called the police. At Benton and Military Road. Good morning. You know, a lot of us right now are looking for a sense of belonging, searching for something greater than ourselves. And the good Lord always puts opportunities in our path, don't he? Hallelujah. And this morning, what I'm offering for you, if you've been like me and had some humble beginnings, is to take the frozen meal that you normally put in the microwave and eat in the carton and to dump it out on a nice china plate. Something new from something that was always there. We have a work camp in Bakersville, North Carolina that is going up next week. Standard order procedures, QR codes for people that want to come in and work, waivers for people that want to volunteer. It is a 18-man camp that will have 15 padded cots, cameras, security lighting, generators, 10-mile radios with repeaters. We're short a few saws. We're short one generator. We need a cook stove. Porta potties, we have porta potties. Heaters for each tent with flutes. This is a nice setup for people that want to come and give back to their country and their community. A little bit about Bakersville. It's a rebel camp. A whole bunch of hardworking, God-fearing Americans, right? That told FEMA to kick rocks. Told the National Guard, you ain't coming down here with your guns, because we're loaded too, right? And so these are robust, thick-skinned, hardcore, God-fearing people, right? That would welcome you with open arms. It is a pre-screened environment. That means that you just cannot show up and live there. You've got to bring something with you. You got to bring talent, hard work, skill, dedication, and ability to work with others and to give of yourself. And you can stay for 3 days or you can stay for the full 90. All right? But this is not somewhere to go to get your ass cleaned up on drugs. And this is not a place to show up on because you have nothing, right? Or you need gas money. This is a place to show up and be a part of something fucking great, right? If you're looking for that, if you're wanting that, if something is tugging and pulling on your heart right now as you watch the discrepancies of what we call freedom and the hearts of our American people and our children. It is very fucking serious with me. Get it real. If you go up there and make an ass out of me, I'm going to drive my ass up there and make an ass out of you. Bet that with all my heart. Okay? I have poured my heart and soul into this with we the people. I have put everything I've got. I put my name, my reputation. I have begged people for shit. This is my second trip. The church has got behind me 3 churches. People that have little have given much, and I'll be damned if we're not going to see it through. Right? And if you want to give of yourself, I can make that happen. And Josh Baker or Missy will put my number in the columns because I can't. Of course, you can find me at jasonsdavisconstruction.com, jasonsdavisconstruction.com, or fluidenglish.us, right? We're still needing a very big saw, about $700. I'm still needing a very big generator, about $700. I'm still needing a nice cooktop stove, about $400, okay? We have got 24 40-pound propanes. We have got 2 pallets of some badass tools. We've got some generators. We've got lighting. We've got saws. We need a bigger saw. We have got tents, nice tents, canvas tents, motion censored fucking cameras, 10-mile radios and repeaters, hand tools, 3 places to put your ass and park it if you need to shit so you're not shitting in the woods. And here's what we got that you cannot buy. A whole bunch of dick swinging, hard, red blood pumping fucking Americans that want to give of themselves, that need some teammates. to be a part of something that we call We the People. So would you join me? I will be there this weekend, so you know where I'll be at. I'll be in Bakersville, North Carolina. I am going to ask, I've got a whole bunch of friends that like to cook, right? And I will put you on scene if you want to cook. You want to gather up some stuff and go up and cook. But we need about a week. We're about a week out, so you figure midweek of next week, we'll be able to start onboarding people. Don't get your fucking feelings hurt. All right, if they tell you no, I'm just telling you, this ain't a fucking, this is a elite group of people. And what qualifies you as elite isn't how big or strong you are. It's how big and strong you are in your fucking heart, motherfucker. Right? What you're willing to give. Because me and my people have given everything for this. This is one of the greatest things I've ever done in my life. Or been a part of. Because it ain't been me, it's been all God. If you'd like to donate, my Cash App and Venmo is at the bottom. My address, 6298 Central, Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71913. I would hate for anybody that has given to me ever to not be able to come call me a fraud to my face. For sure. Or be able to pay me a visit if I have to drag your ass out of North Carolina. Because I'll do it. Still got all my teeth. And so, that's amazing, ain't it? So there we are. We love you. These are the pictures. God bless you. Give us a holler. Let us know what you want to do, what your qualification sets are, what you're able to. If you got some small machines, man, we got a place for you to rest your head. We'll get some fuel. We got gas cans. It's going to be really nice. It is where you want to be, and these people need you. Get in touch with us. If you'd like to donate, donate. And I love you. And as always, punish these motherfuckers with every ounce of your success. Fluent fucking English.